Buenos dias! We are looking at how to pronounce this Spanish word and name, meaning, of course, conception. Conception is the translation from Spanish of this word. When it is used as a female name, this is a girl's name. It is also commonly used as a name for places. It is given in reference to the Immaculate Conception or Immaculate Conception of the Virgin Mary. Many cities, churches and other places around the world have been given this name in Spanish-speaking countries, primarily, of course, including a large city in Chile. So how do you go about pronouncing it? You must know that the accent on the O here means that you have to stress on the last syllable, not like in English where you stress on the second syllable as conception. In Spanish, this name is to be said as Concepción, emphasizing on the Syon syllable, Concepción. Here are more videos on how to pronounce Spanish words and names, more names that you may want to hear and nail the pronunciation of. I will see you soon to learn more.